Welcome. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create your own Instagram highlights just the way you have. These are highlights right here. You see all this media session, MC duties, adventures, and all of that. That's what you call highlights. And I actually have I have highlights on almost all my Instagram handles. Let me see what's happening here. Okay, so I'm going to use this to actually create the highlight. So this is looking like a new page I just opened. So I'm going to be using this to create your highlight. Now you need to know that there are different ways of creating your highlights. I like to always make my own highlights uniform. Like when you notice this, you see that the colors are the same, and I'm actually trying to follow my own brand color specifications, right? Different people have different highlights. So I'm going to open one of my friends Instagram page. Okay, this is Free Clinic. Look at her highlights. So she actually used our own brand name. So before it used to be Sparkles. I don't know, she probably just recently changed it, but different people use different highlights depending. Let me just randomly check. I know that top people. Okay, look at this Frank Edwards. Look at his own highlights. Grace, he has written Grace right there, and he used different colors. So you can actually use anything you like depending on what your own preference is. So usually when I want to design, I use Spark Post to do. Is an app that you can use to do any design you want. So a lot of my phone designs are being done with Spark Post. So that's just a giveaway right there. So all you need to do is you can actually select from the templates if you want to use any template. But since I want to design an icon, so I just click on the plus sign. So when I click on the plus sign, it's going to give me a solid color, right? So let me just assume I want to use, so you can select any color you want. And then so I've selected this color, right? And then I say next. So I click on done. So if you want to put text, you can put text here, but I'm not going to put text. If you want to put text, all you need to do is just to edit this, and then you have it. But I don't want to put text. I'm just going to delete it. But I'm not going to press the add sign again. Now it's going to bring all these options out. So I'll click on icon. Now I'm using icon because I want images like this, right? So I want something that is going to depict microphone, because I'm trying to create it for my event hosting page. So look at this. I'll just select any microphone, and then I'll add it. So look at it right here. I can change the color. You can actually change the color of the icon. I can change it to white, and then I'll save it. I click on done, and then I save it, right? So I can do this for as many things I want, right? I can do it for as many images. So I can also do adventure. That's another thing I would like to put in it. Let me replace this. Let me replace this. So let me put adventure. I'm going to use 3. Let's see if there's anything that will come. Okay, so for adventure, these are the icons you have. So I'll just select any icon I think it's okay for me. Which one depicts adventure more? I think. Let me just select. I think this one does it for me. So I just select it, and then I have it that way. Don't forget that this is actually because I want it to really be customized, right? So you necessarily don't have to go through this process if you don't want to, right? But a lot of people like to, have uniform designs like this. So the choice is yours actually. So that's that. Let me just grab it so that I don't lose it. Then let me replace this again. Let me put what other thing do I want to put? Feedback. Let me see if there's anything that will come up for feedback. Okay, so let me use this, right? So that's just it. So I save it, and then I begin to do the things I want to do. All right, so here now I come to my Instagram, and then I click on new, right? So usually when you want to put pictures in your highlights, usually they should have like been on your stories, right? They should have been on your stories for a while. So these are the things I've actually put on my story before. So now, because I selected it, I cannot have edit highlight. So okay, let me just name it. Let me say MD speaks. Oh, let me use the creative MD. Right, so that's the name. Now it has a limit, so you may not be able to use too long words, right? You may not be able to use too long words. Speaking. Let me say MC duties. Then edit. You see, once you click on edit cover, it brings you to your gallery, so you can actually select whatever you want it to be. You see, and then I click on art, and then I'm done, and then that's it. Can you see? Now I can do for the other one also. So if I have more pictures on my highlights, on my stories, or that I've put on my story before, I could actually just put it there, and then I say adventure, and then I edit cover. So I go to my, and I select this, and I just set it this way, and then I click on done. All right, you see what I'm doing? So I can always click on another one. Let me just say love. This was actually the one I created before, so let me just put it. So the more you keep doing it, the more it keeps coming up like this. And that's really the simple way of creating your highlights. So if you want to always use, if you also want to use pictures from your gallery, you can always, go back to where I clicked on edit cover, and then select any picture from your gallery, and then you customize the name, and then you are good to go. I hope you have learned something new. So go try it and give me a feedback. Let me know if you learned anything from this video. And of course, you can always use the Spark Post app to do as many designs as you want. You have templates there, you have things you can customize, and they are available for you to use for free. But ensure you remove the watermark when you are done. Have a great day. Bye.